Do you know how atoms tell their stories? I use NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance, and EPR, electron paramagnetic resonance, to understand how novel materials work. NMR uses radio frequency pulses to excite nuclei. EPR uses microwaves to excite electrons. Both are quantitative and very sensitive to a material's local chemistry and molecular level dynamics. There are so many things only NMR and EPR can do. They can tell us how a chemical reaction proceeds or help us design next-generation materials. This big magnet is 18.8 Tesla DNP, dynamic nuclear polarization NMR. DNP transfers polarization from electrons to nuclei, giving 100 times signal enhancement. As NMR EPR advance, we might one day read signals from a single nucleus or electron. With that, we can build even better materials.